When you're a raindrop, you just learn to go with the flow.
I really like this guy.
Yeah, well, I think he's boring.
Boring, you say? Me? Well, let me tell you a thing or two about a thing or two. I'm just a wee little raindrop, but I've got stories to tell. Just last week I was up in a thunderstorm, and then I was down in a well. I've jumped through the trees in the jungle, I've tap danced across the waves. I go with the flow, where to, who knows, but I'm dancing all the way. Come dance with me, Maddie and Triggs.
Wanna dance, Triggs?
It would be my honor, Maddie. Huh?
Whoa! Yup! Yup!
Yoo-hoo!
Whoa!
Come and dance with me. I've danced on a happy penguin and tickled his small little nose. I've danced on an African elephant's ears and trickled right down to his toes. I've discoed with dingoes in Darwin, I've swayed with seagulls in Maine. I go with the flow, where to, who knows, but I'm dancing all the way. Rain dance, rain dance, rain dance. Come rain dance with me. I see somebody in this tent who isn't wiggling their toes.
What, me?
Yes, you, Dad.
Come on and dance with us, Mr. S.
It's a bit tight in here for dancing.
Yeah, Mr. Grumpy Pants. Come and dance with us.
Well, maybe I could give it one go.
I've always loved going camping, I've never been fond of a dance. I'd set up my tent and clean as I went, not leaving one detail to chance. But the weather is something you can't control, and I'm learning to go with the flow. And just like this raindrop, from now on I'll be dancing as I go.
Go, Dad!
Nice moves, Mr. S.
That's the spirit, Mr. Grumpy Pants. Just go with the flow. Rain dance, rain dance, rain dance. Come rain dance with me. Well, time for me to be off now. There's a mountain range not far from here that needs a soaking.
Bye, Mr. Raindrop. Thanks for the dance.
Toodaloo.
See you next time, Mr. Raindrop.
Bye-bye now. Come rain dance with me.